Assalamualaikum and very good day to all fellow panels, and the purpose of this video is to present about the demo for my system development, which is the telemanagement system. Okay, first of all, this is the login page of the telemanagement system. Okay, so here is the main page for the login is for the HR staff login. Okay, so we enter the staff ID and password. If the staff enter the incorrect password, so the system will display an error message which show that it is the wrong ID or password. Okay, so it will revert back to the login page. So we try it again with the correct password. Okay, so this is the staff dashboard after the staff had logged in into the system. So in the staff dashboard, this is the latest training, which of all the training that has been inserted by the HR staff or the admin. So if we click on this particular training, so it will revert the staff to the training details page, which it show all of the training details. Okay, so we go back home. So we want to try the navigation menu. So if we click for the available training, it will display the list of all of the training that are available in the system. Okay, so if the staff want to apply for the training by themselves, they just need to click on the respective training that they want to apply, and then they just click to the apply. So this is a pop-up message which indicates the staff to enter their participant role, so they can select whether to be a participant or the paperwork presenter. So if they want to cancel their action, they just need to click on this leaf. Okay, so if they want to cancel, they will be reverted back to the training details page. So if they want to apply, so they will apply. Let's see, they apply as a participant, so they apply. So a pop-up confirmation message will be displayed. So to confirm for them to apply for this training. If they don't want to apply for this training and they want to change their mind, they just need to click on the no. So they will be reverted back. So if they want to apply, let's apply for them. So if they click apply and they click confirm to apply to this training, they click yes. So the system will display training passed successfully, and the staff will reverted to the training history, which is the upcoming. You can see at the upcoming training, the filming below, which the staff had applied just now. So this is the training history page where this is the applied. The applied is the application that the staff have been made for the approved. This is the approved training which they have been applied. If the training had been approved, so it will move to this approved tab. So upcoming is the upcoming training details, and the completed, which is their completed training. So if you don't want to apply the training outside of the previous training, besides the available training that are in the system, they just need to click on the application. So the system will display an application form. On this form, and on a section A, which is the personal details, the system will get all of the data from the database based on the staff ID. So all of this is from this stuff. So all of this input is a read-only input, which the staff cannot change or do anything about this. So they just need to click in the title. So let us choose a title. We just done a dummy training. So the venue will be for the country Malaysia, nation, local, organizer. This is the organizer name. So the organizer address, organizer phone number, so the start date of the training and the end date of the training. So this duration, they need to calculate the amount of days that they need to go for that training. So it will be 3 days. So the fee. So for the participant status, they just need to show that the participant is active or not. So the participant role, if they click on the participant, they don't need to upload paperwork. So if they choose to be a paperwork presenter, they need to upload their paperwork. So as we can see, we just use the sample paperwork. Okay. So the system will receive the paperwork that have been submitted by the staff. So the sponsorship is just dummy data for this. UTM liability is the cost that UTM provided. So the contractual bonds, yes, duration is 5 months. Accommodation not provided, meal. So this is the section D, which is the training benefits. The training benefits that the participant will get, and also the department will get if the staff apply to this training. So the purpose to hold the curriculum is 1 month after attending the course of seminar. So as the seminar is start on 7 July, so we just need to go for the above 1 month above it. So the section E is show the history of the completed training for this staff. So if the staff submit, so it will pop up a confirmation message which show to confirm to submit the training application. It is the same as before. If they want, they don't want, so you just click no. So if they click yes, okay, so the system will display a training application submitted successfully message. If they click OK, they will revert back to the training story. And under the apply tab, we can see this is the data that has been inserted just before this in the application form. So if we go to history, okay, this is their history, the training history, which says apply, approved, upcoming, and completed. So if they want to check for the profile, they just need to click on the profile icon or their profile. Okay, you show them their profile, which is Ali bin Ahmad, their name, their ID, all of their number, and their certificates that they have been achieved. If they're back to home, they will revert back to the staff home page. Okay, so that's all for the user stuff. So if you log out from this stuff, so if we log out the system, we display you have successfully logged out message. So next one is to test the HR staff login. So if the HR staff want to log in into the system, the HR staff need to click on the HR staff login. So they need to input their respective login ID and password. If they enter the wrong password, it's the same as before, same as the staff login, so they show the wrong ID or password. So if they enter the correct login details, so this is they will revert to the HR staff dashboard page. So this is the HR staff dashboard page, which is hello and welcome, which is their name, and this is the list of staff in the dashboard page. This is the list of staff that contains in their department. So if you can see this HR staff, if we can see at the profile, this is HR staff is from the Department of School of Computing. So if we go back home, So we can see all of the stuff is from the School of Computing. As you can see in here. So if they want to view the staff profile, they just need to click on the staff navigation menu. So it will the system will display the list of all of the available staff in their department. So if they click on representative staff, so the system will display all of the staff details, which name, ID, IC, and so on, and as well as their certificates and their training attended, which has been completed. So this is where staff can evaluate. This is where HR staff this is where HR staff can evaluate their staff's training performance, which you can see this is the training for this title, and they can see the score for their staff training. So if they want to assign training to the staff, so they just need to click on available training on the navigation menu. So here we can see the list of the training that are available. So if they click onto one of the selected training, so they need to so if they want to assign this training to the staff, they will click on the assign to staff button. So in this active to set assign to staff button will show this list of available staff in their department. So if let's say this training is been assigned to this staff already, so we can try, and we need to the HR staff, we need to click assign. So it will pop up a confirmation message, so confirm assigning training to staff, and if the HR staff click yes, so the system will display the training already assigned to staff. This is because the staff has already applied to this training. So if we choose another training, this is another training, so we apply to the same stuff as before. So the robot presenter as a participant, so they need to assign and confirm assigning. So this system will display the staff training assigned successfully. This indicates that the staff does not apply or being assigned to that particular training. So for the management of training, if they want to edit the training, so they just need to click on the edit icon. So it will display a training update page where they can update all of the training details. So we can try on the training title, we change it to this one, and so if we press to update, so it pop up same message of the confirmation message for updating the training, and if the staff yes, so the system will display the training updated successfully. If they click OK, so and as we can see, the training data had been updated successfully. So let's say if they want to delete any of these training also, first we want to try to insert a new training. So this is the new training form. As you can see, we can insert any training that we want, any training the HR staff one, or if they have a new training, they can insert it here. Let's see, you can try. This is just a dummy data for the training that we need to try. So the category, they need to choose the category. Duration is 3 is there. So if they're done with the new training data, we just need to click insert. So you pop up the confirmation message. Actually click yes. So the new training is inserted successfully. On top of that, the staff and HR staff, if they work in the training list, so they can choose sort of their training based on the category. So if they click to sort on the business, so it will sort only the business business training. So if they choose another category, so it will choose the another training with the respective category. So this category will be updated automatically if the staff or the admin insert a new training or a new training category. So we just need to go to the training staff. So if the HR staff want to delete, they just need to click on the delete icon. So the system will show them a message that they sure to want to delete the training. So if they click OK, so the system will display a training deleted successfully. So the HR staff will revert back to the training list page, which you can see there is no, the last training had been deleted successfully. So if they go to the application menu, they click on the application menu, and they will go to application list page. In this application list page, they can approve the staff, the training application that have been applied by the staff. So if they can see they have true training, this is one training we have done before in the staff side. So if we click this one, our staff can see all of the training details that have been inserted by the staff. So if they want to approve, so this is past and recent training. This is where the staff, the respective staff history, where the HR staff can evaluate them if they are suitable to go for this training or not. So if they click approve it, so they need to insert the training category first. So if they want to, after they insert the training category, so if they click on approve and confirm approving the application, so the system will display a training application approved successfully. Click OK. They will return back to the training list, and after they had clicked on the application, so as you can see, the new training had been inserted just by approving the staff training application. So this, if we go to staff, after they have approved the staff training application, on the staff side, the applied training status will be changed to new status, which is the approved status. So if we can see in the staff side, back in the staff side, in their training history, they can see that their training had been approved by the HR staff. So we go to the last user, which is the admin. This is where the admin log in. As you can see, it has the same features as the HR staff and staff login, where if we enter a wrong ID or password, it will show an error message. Okay, after that, if they admin successfully log in, so they will reroute it to the admin dashboard. This is the admin dashboard. So it have three menu, which is this staff, this is the to manage staff and manage training. So if they click on the staff, they will display on a tab where there is a staff and HR staff. In the staff, this is the list of all of the staff that are in the department, same as the admin. This is admin is from the scope of computing, so all of the staff is from the scope of computing. And okay, this is the list of the staff. So if the admin want to see the staff details, you just need to click on the respective staff, so it will show the details of the staff. So let's say if the admin want to edit the staff details, so they just need to click on the edit button, so they can update the staff training details. So the name and the ID as well as the IC cannot be updated by the HR staff. So if they want to change it the position to manager, to the project manager, and if they want to add the particular certificate to the staff, award, okay, just need to enter a dummy certificate. So if they want to update, so the system will show the confirmation update the staff. So if they click yes, so the system will display staff details updated successfully, and they will be reverted back to the staff list. If they click on the deleted staff, so they can see the position has changed and the certificate has been added. So if they go back and they want to manage another user, which is the HR staff, so this is where they can manage the HR staff. So let's say if they want to delete, if HR staff want to delete a staff, they just need to click on the delete icon, same as the training from the HR staff. Okay, so the training deleted successfully. Okay, in the HR staff, for the HR staff, they also can edit and delete the HR staff. So let's say if you want to edit, let's say from the phone number, if you want to add the certificate, so best award, okay, so the system will show the HR staff details updated successfully. So if they go to the HR staff and check back the details, okay, all the details have been changed and the certificate has been added. If they want to delete the respective the selected HR staff, they just need to click on the delete icon, same as add the staff list. So okay, so the system will show the training deleted successfully. So if they go to the training, okay, this is to show that all of the training list. So this is the same as the HR staff site. So if they click on the training, the selected training, the system will display the selected training details. If they go back, and if they want to edit the training details, click on the add and change it, revert back to the old name. So if I want to try to update, confirm update, so the system will display the updated successfully message. And after that, if they want to delete, just need to click on the delete icon, and then system will display a training related successfully. Okay, and if they want to insert a new training, just click on the new training. It's the same as the HR stuff, right? So just need to add the next one. Telepon. For the basic of entrepreneur. They click insert, so confirm inserting a link training. So the system will display a new training inserted successfully. Click OK, so they will reload back to this training list. Training list, which they can see all of the training list, and this one is the new added training list. So in the ID is the ID for the training is what we call this auto increment with TR which is a concat in front of the training details. Okay, that's all from me. If the user log out, the system will display a successful logout. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you and Assalamualaikum.